Hi guys, I'm going to show you an awesome app today that's built right into your iPhone. It's called Spoken Content. It will actually read the paragraphs of the articles that you find right off your phone to you. Okay, so we go under settings in the iPhone, and then we're going to scroll down to where we see Spoken Content. So I'm going to push that Spoken Content, and you can see here we've got Speak Selection and Speak Screen. So Speak Selection is you can actually select the article that you want to be read, and Speak Screen, it'll read everything off the entire screen, including URLs and funny numbers that you'll find in there. So highlight content here, we're going to put that on. Word sentences right there, background color, underline, everything looks good there. Okay, we just go back. We can also here change the voices. So we've got Karen here in English or Sarah in Danish. So sure, let's just try a Danish one for fun. And I'll go back again. And you can see here you can adjust the speak rating. So I can turn that down if it's a little too fast. I can turn it up if it's a little too slow, right? But we'll just keep it in the center.
Selection reads selected content.
Okay, so she is ready to tell us some stuff. Okay guys, so I'm just went over to our website because we're going to try the Speak Select. I'm just going to go down, and just to keep this simple, I've went to one of the first paragraphs on our website here. I just highlight it, and as soon as you're done highlighting, it says Speak.
Sign up with AMS and be put into our free monthly giveaways. February's is the super popular Fire TV Cube. Turn your TV into a media powerhouse.
So you can see I can push pause and it stops. So in case maybe you didn't catch something in a sentence, you want to rehear. But isn't this a great app, guys? Okay, so that's the Speak Content app that's found on your iPhone. Get in there, use it. It's free to use. Enjoy. Make sure if you're liking these videos to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.